use the tools in Big Blue Button. So the teacher will share these tools with you, and you will find them on the right-hand side over here. When the teacher shares them with you, you can click on the hand, and you can then click on the pencil and choose a color, whichever color you would like, and you can start drawing on the board by clicking on the bottom left-hand corner of your mouse. Click and hold. So click down, and you click down with your left finger and you use your right finger to draw lines. That is how you click on the pencil to draw lines. Also, if you need to erase what you just did, use your right finger to go over to this back arrow here. Click down, and it will erase step by step. Okay. Now, if you want to, again, if I made a drawing here and I want to erase everything all at once, I can, with my right finger, go over to the garbage can, and with my left finger, click left on the touchpad, and that will erase everything. I can click on this little dot here, and that will change the thickness of my writing. So I can make a big line, or I can make a little line. And of course, I can always change my colors. So that is how we use the drawing tools on the whiteboard.